بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Today, my dear students, we are going to complete our lesson about the present perfect simple tense. Here we have some time expressions with these tense, which are for and since. Use the present perfect simple tense with for to indicate the duration of the action. For 2 months, for a year, for a long time, for 2 weeks, for 3 months, and so on. Okay? So, pay me your attention, please. Here we use for plus duration of time. For is followed by a duration of time. Duration of time like what? Like these examples. For 2 months, for a year, for a long time, for 2 weeks, for 3 hours, for 2 months, and so on. We use the present perfect simple with the since to indicate when the action began. So, since is followed by a certain point in the past. Since is followed by a certain point in the past. Okay? Like, since yesterday, since last June, since my graduation. Okay? Since my birthday or my last birthday. Okay? Since last Ramadan or since Ramadan. Okay? Since last week. You know? So since is followed by a certain point in the past. Okay? Also, we can use how long to ask questions about for plus the duration and or about since and the certain point in the past. For example, if I ask you this question, how long has the clothing store been in operation? You can answer using for plus the duration or using since plus certain point in the past. It's been in operation since 1975. Here you use since plus the certain point in the past, which is 1975. Also, you can use for plus the duration, like it's been in operation for 40 years. 40 years here is a duration. So, you can use how long to ask in this tense, which is the present perfect simple, to ask about the duration or a certain point in the past. And you can use to answer this question either for plus duration or since plus a certain point in the past. Okay? Now, we are going to have this exercise to practice using for and since to know where can you use for and where can you use since. Don't forget, we use for plus the duration, like 15 years, like a month, like a long time. Okay, years مش كده. Okay. طيب, also we can use since to indicate or it's followed by a certain point in the past, like a date, like a year. If I say مثلا for example since 1955 for example. Okay. Last June also we can use since was last June. My graduation, my birthday, Ramadan. Okay. These are all certain point in the past, so we can use since with them. We will complete the sentences with for or since. Number 1. Hamid has had the same TV space 15 years. 15 years here is a duration. So we will use what? Yes, excellent. We will use for. Number 2. I have had my laptop last June. Last June here is a certain point in the past. Okay, it's known. So we can use since. since last June. Number 3. We have worked on this project a month. Okay, a month here is a duration, so we can use for a month. Number 4. My friends haven't visited me space my graduation. My graduation is a certain point in the past, so we can use since my graduation. Number 5. We haven't used our car space a long time. A long time here is a duration, so we can use for a long time. Number 6. I've been drinking tea space years. Years here is a duration, so here we can use for years. Yes. Number 7. Tariq has worn glasses space the age of 7. The age of 7 here is a certain point in the past, means when Tariq was 7 years old. So here we can use since the age of 7. The last one, space when have you had that beautiful watch. Okay, pay me your attention here please, because when is asked for what? When is asked for a certain point in the past. So here you need what? Which can we use with the certain point in the past? We can use, yes, excellent, since. Since when have you had that beautiful watch? Okay, that is the end of our lesson today. Thank you and goodbye.